gave the keeper the eyes and scored the penalty. The keeper stopped it. And the goalkeeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. And he slots it home. Great precision. It comes down to this. He has to score, otherwise it's all over. What a save! The players will be distraught. So, we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes. He's got control of the ball. Well timed then, great defending. He did well to win the ball back. Keeper collects. Now it's Hughes with the ball. He got that all wrong. Can he take charge and change the game? Oh, that's a poor pass. Ziyech. Here's Doucouré. Players using his pace. Shaw drives forward. The referee calls play back for an offside. So this player will come off and a new one will take to the pitch. Plays it short. Good skill from Wharton. The fans are on their feet. Keeper got a hand to it. It's level. They can still win this, but they need to be organised at the back. Here's Sarr, and the shot has gone wide. They're running out of time after 90 minutes are over. It's extra time and maybe penalties. Good ball control. Keeper's ball. It's a throw-in. The scores are level, but they want to find a way through. Wins the ball. Ziyech with a great run. What a chance! Good goalkeeping. He needed to be alert. That's a nasty tackle. Well, he's going to be off. It's a straight red. The seconds are running down. Yes, a late goal. That must be the winner. That might be the one which will win it for them. His manager will be delighted with that goal. Picked up by the defender. A strong tackle. Eagerly await their next opponents.
ተመልካቾቻችን አቤት ያላቸውን የሀገር ውስጥና የውጭ መረጃዎች ስንነግራችሁ ቆይተናል። ወደ ዝርዝር መረጃዎቻችን አልፈናል። 77ኛው የካራማራ ድል በዓል ዛሬ በኢትዮ ኩባ ወዳጅነት ፓርክ ተከብሯል። ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ የሀገር መከላከያ ሰራዊት ተወካይና የጥንታዊት ኢትዮጵያ ጀግኖች አርበኞች ማህበር አመራሮችም ተገኝተዋል።
በዓሉ ዘንድሮም በፈቃደኛ አካላት ትብብር ነው የተከበረው። ክፍላችን ያነጋገራቸው ተሳታፊዎች የድል በዓሉ ብሔራዊ በዓል መሆን አለበት ባይ ናቸው። የሚያስፈልጋቸው ተጨማሪ
ጦርነት ብዙ ጊዜ በአንደኛው ወገን አሸናፊነት ይጠናቀቃል። ታሪክ የሚጽፉት
They've gone adventurous and chosen a 4-1-2-3 formation. This sacrifices numbers in midfield for a reinforced defence and attack. Here's Jala, an expert tackle, senses a danger and gets it away. He's got the ball at his feet. He dribbles the ball forward. Wins the ball. A careless pass there. Sure, that's a great tackle. Players using his pace. What an opportunity! Keeper glad to see that one go wide. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. A precise pass. Passed around. A strong tackle. Lovely passing here. This player's taking charge and moving down the flanks. He's just offside. Regains possession. He's found an opening. Slotted home. Great play. He battled hard and has been rewarded with his first goal of the game. A chance to have a better look here. This is Bass. Striker's ball. It was a cynical foul. The crowd are jeering the player. He's darting forward, using the width of the pitch. Will he go for glory? The keeper blocks the shot. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And that cross missed its target. And it's...
በጦርነት ወቅት
He's played it long. Keeper takes control of the ball. Oh, and dispossessed there. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Well cut out. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Anticipated by the keeper. A great move, he's clean through. Surely a goal is coming. The player can't continue, so a new one's coming on. Van de Boeman. That tackle was badly timed. The replay will give us a closer look. Good defending there. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. The needs someone else to take this free kick. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them. He's gone for goal. Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot. He attempts a long pass. Headed upfield. Dribbles with the ball. They're winning. They need to defend well here. It's opened up. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They're holding on to maximum points and not long to go. Can they seal the game? Rafinha with this run. Shaw drives forward. And back to the goalkeeper. A misplaced pass. Good distribution. Here's Taylor. And then Booman with the ball. Pulls the trigger. Denied by the post. For Woodward denies him again. That game was too close to call, but they just found the edge to win by the slimmest of margins.